In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to a presentation in Canva. Whether you want to use your own soundtrack or choose from Canva's built-in library, the process is simple once you know where to look. We'll walk through both options and then see how to control the length of the audio so it fits your presentation perfectly. First, let's cover uploading your own audio. On the left side of the Canva editor, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Click Uploads. Here, you can either drag and drop an audio file straight from your computer into the panel, or click Upload Files and select the file from your folders. Give it a moment to process. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in your Uploads library, ready to use. As a quick tip, using common audio formats like MP3 or WAV usually gives you the smoothest experience, and keeping file names clear can make it easier to find the right track later. If you'd rather use music from Canva, look back to that same toolbar on the left and click Audio. This opens Canva's library of stock tracks. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find a specific mood or style. This is great when you need something that matches the tone of your presentation without leaving the editor. Take a moment to skim options so the energy of the track fits your content. Adding the audio to your presentation works the same way for both uploaded and stock tracks. Simply click and drag the track onto your design. When you do, you'll see an audio layer appear below the canvas. This is your timeline view. It's really helpful because it shows how long the audio is and how it lines up with the length of your presentation. If your presentation spans multiple pages or includes animated timing, the layers make that relationship easy to understand at a glance. To control how long the audio plays, hover over the edge of the audio layer on the timeline until you see a trim handle. Click and drag the edge to shorten or extend the portion that plays. This doesn't change your original file. It just selects the part that will be heard in your presentation. If the track is longer than your content, trimming keeps things tidy. If it's shorter, the audio will simply end while your presentation continues, so choose a section that covers the portion you want. And that's all there is to it. Upload or select your audio, drag it onto the canvas, and fine-tune the duration from the timeline below. Now your presentation has the soundtrack it deserves.